Welcome to this section on activities in Xamarin.Android. That big long flow diagram you can see on the right sums up pretty much everything I'm going to show you with a few gotchas in this section. I'm going to walk you through exactly what an activity is, and if you're from a C# or .NET background, then this is going to shake up your worldview a little bit in terms of application entry points and some other memory management things you really need to watch out for. We'll look at how to start new activities from existing ones. Then we'll discover how to pass data between activities. And again, if you're from a .NET background, this is slightly different to what you might be expecting. Finally, we'll look at the activity lifecycle, and I'll explain that image on the right to you in more simple terms, and we will also experiment with when these lifecycle events are fired. So let's get started.